welcome back to my channel. Yes, today, this month is August. Yay! It's August month. It's my month. Yes, I was born in August, so I call it It's My Month. Kung sa mga babae pa is ating kabuwanan. Joke. Okay, let's have coffee first. Tapos kung magkape, let's unbox some Pensonic personal blender. Yes, Pensonic personal blender. And of course, it's my favorite color, pink. So later we're going to unbox this. Yeah. Last night we bought. It's offer. That means it's a sale. So we grabbed the opportunity to have this personal blender. It's easy because you know why? After you blend some fruits or some fruits, then you can change the cover and just ready to go. Especially for all the momshi that is rushing to fetch and send their kids to school. So I think this one is maganda siya, in short. So let me finish my coffee first, then let's start to unbox this. Of course, I don't forget my oats. Every time I'm having my coffee, I have my oats. So, let's coffee first. Coffee break! Mga babes! I'm back! At kakatapos ko lang magkape. So, nasabi ko earlier na after ko magkape, may i-unbox tayo, di ba? So, uumpisa na natin i-unbox kung ano yun. Ay, alam niyo na pala. Chirut! Okay, let's open it! Okay, so let's start to unbox. I got scissors. Yes. Oh my God. Naka-sealed pa kasi siya. Siyempre, kakabili lang. Kaka-purchase lang. So, kasi, oh. Then, the warranty. We bought sale siya, sale. We bought for $39. So, kung i-ano mo siya, $39, mamaya ako na-calculate. So, meron siyang, got one tumbler here. Okay. Wow! It's crystallized. And then got another one extra. Got 2 tumbler inside. Yan. So, got 2 tumbler inside. Here you go. Ang kanyang cover. Another cover. Yan. Cover. And another cover of 1 tumbler as well. So I'll just show you. We got 2 tumbler inside, 1 set, and this is the blender. Yeah, this one. So if you want to blend the fruits, you just change this. You just change the cover. You see, change to. Of course, you put the fruits inside or ice a little bit. Then you change to this blender. Then you just close first. Okay, so I already changed. Wait for a while for the. Yes. Ito naman yung motor niya. motor niya. The plaque is like this because we are in the another country. If in the Philippines, two also, but then different. This one, okay, different. It's different, like a pen. Ayan. Ito pala yung books niya, yung manual niya, So, wala na. No more. That's all. So, eto. Share ko lang kasi ang cute. Yan. So, ito yung motor niya, no? Like this. So, I already changed to the blender. The cover blender. So, I just put here. Yan. Like this na. So, it's ready to make some fruit juice. Fruit shake. Not fruit juice. Fruit shake. Yes, it's a fruit shake. Because they just blend. So, it's we can make a fruits blend. So, here. That's all. That's all mga bebs. Share ko lang kasi ang cute niya. Pink color. Ganda niya, diba? So, pagkatapos mong, after you blend the fruits, just upside down, change to, you see? Change to the cover. And then, ready to go. Oh, diba? Ready to go. Okay, just open, drink. Oh, diba? Ang cute niya. Got to. So, maybe you can make 2 fruits every day if you want. So, as of now, hanggang dito na lang muna kasi hindi pa ako nakapag-cut ng mga prutas para i-blend. So, next time ko na lang i-share ulit, ha? Bye, mga bebs! So, mga bebs, nakita nyo na yung bago kong collection na personal blender. I call it personal blender kasi maliit siya. And syempre, personal lang talaga. Hindi siya pang buong bahay. Kasi pag sinabi mong personal mo lang yun, diba? Pero pag sinabi mong blender, siguro blender, buong bahay, pwede mong i-blend kahit ano. Eh yung kasi, I will name it personal blender for myself. So, nakita niyo na. So, thank you, mga bebs. Thank you for watching. And hope to see you into my next video. Pag hindi nyo pa ako na-subscribe, subscribe nyo na lang ako for more update videos of mine and my daughter and my family. So, see you into my next video. Bye, mga bebs!